Welcome to the Creating a Production Batch in Metrc training. A production batch is created anytime you chemically or physically alter an item, process an item, or add anything to an item. Here we see a basic example of the manufacturing process for edibles. We start with 4 packages of plant material, where each package contains 2,500 grams. Those 2,500 gram packages, or 10,000 grams total of plant material, are used in a production batch to create 4,000 grams of BHO oil. From there, we take our oil and create 4 final production batches of edibles. In this case, chocolate chip cookies, gummies, mints, and brownies. The 4 final production batches are in bulk and are likely then packaged into cases, which will be the final form sent to the retailers and sold to the consumer. Please do not send out your production batches. A transfer or sales package should be pulled from production batches and then finished once they have a 0 quantity. By keeping the production batches in the manufacturer's license, you preserve the traceability of that production batch and any history of packages made from it. The progression of the unit of measure is evident here as well. Notice that we start with the grams of plant material, which gets changed to grams of oil. And then, the unit of measure for the package becomes each when we create the edibles. Here's an example of an instance where the manufacturer would create a package that isn't a production batch. If a production batch of edibles, chocolate chip cookies 5-pack for example, is repackaged to create a transfer or sales package, that would then be included on a transfer manifest to be sent out to another license. Understand your state's rules and regulations regarding when and at what stage your product needs to be tested. Next, we'll go through a demo of the information we just discussed. To begin, we will create an intermediate production batch of oil. Highlight these 3 packages of plant material, then click on the New Package button. Enter the information, including the new item we're creating, adding a note. Enter the quantity created. In this case, 602.27 grams of concentrate. And then show that all the plant material from the source packages was used. Here's our new production batch. Notice the production batch is reported, not submitted, under the testing column because we have not yet submitted this package for testing. Next, take the test passed concentrate and create a production batch of chocolate chip cookies from it. Following the same process of highlighting the concentrate, clicking on the New Package button, and then filling out the information in the pop-up including the new unit of measure for each. At this point, we are only using a portion of the concentrate package, so enter the amount used. Check all information, and then click on Create Package below. Here's our bulk production batch package of chocolate chip cookies. Notice the new production batch is now reporting, not submitted, under the testing column. We can't do anything with this package until the required testing is completed and passing results have been received. Please understand your state's rules and regulations for when and at what stage your product needs to be tested. If you have any questions from the information covered, please call or email our support line at 877-566-6506 or support@metrc.com.